Hi folks, this is Jeff with Majors RV. Today to discuss the pull-right automatic slider. The issue with hauling a fifth wheel with a short bed pickup truck is when you start getting around tighter turns, having the front of that fifth wheel catching the cab of the truck. So you got two choices. You can go with what they call a manual slider or an automatic slider. How the manual slider works is, you notice you're going to have to make a tight maneuver. You're going to have to engage that slider to get the front of that fifth wheel away from the cab of the truck. So with the manual slider, you'll get out of the truck, you'll pull a lever on the fifth wheel, you get back in the truck, you'll lock the brakes, you'll pull the truck forward, that's engaging the slider to the back of the truck, get back out of the truck, you'll lock the fifth wheel in place in the rear position, make your tight maneuver, get out of the truck, pull the lever on the fifth wheel, back in the truck, lock up the brakes, back the truck up, bringing the slider back into its original position, get back out of the truck, and lock the fifth wheel in place. Folks, I'm exhausted just explaining it to you. I didn't even do it. So Pull-Right came out with the automatic slider for the short bed pickup trucks, specifically the 6.5-foot trucks. So what the Pull-Right automatic slider is going to do is there'll be a capture plate that gets installed in the kingpin of the fifth wheel. What the capture plate is doing is it's locking the fifth wheel kingpin to the head of this hitch, thus enabling the pivot point to be down here. The reason that's important, folks, is when you start getting around a turn and you get better than a 22.5-degree turn, this pull-right's going to automatically slide and start getting the front of that cab, the front of that fifth wheel away from the cab of the truck. The harder the turn, the furthest it's going to bring away into a maximum of a 90-degree turn in relation to the truck. As the fifth wheel swings back in line, back behind the truck, this is going to automatically slide forward and get back less than a 22.5-degree, and it's bang right over the axles, folks. So again, as it's turning, she's rotating, getting away from the cab of that pickup truck. Folks, this is the Pull-Right automatic slider available here at Majors RV.
Majors RV.